Hello friends, this is Mahesh Yolikar and you are watching Next Gen Maths. If you are not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon of Next Gen Maths. In this video, we are going to discuss the problem of CSI NET November 2020 problem of linear algebra. Example, let S equal to U1, U2, UK be a subset of non-zero vectors from Rn. Now, consider two statements given below. First statement, if S is linearly dependent set in Rn, then UK is a linear combination of U1, U2, UK minus 1. And the statement number 2, if S is linearly independent set in Rn, then K less than N. Which of the following statements is true? So we are given four options. Statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Second option, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Third option, both statement 1 and 2 are false. And the fourth option, both statement 1 and 2 are true. If you want to know of this solution, then please visit our website www.nextgenmaths.com. In the description, link is available. It is a problem of linearly independent and dependent set. So first we recall the definition. A set S equal to U1, U2, UK is a linearly independent set if vector equation alpha on V1 plus alpha 2 V2 plus alpha k Vk equal to 0 has only trivial solution. That means all alpha is a 0, otherwise S is linearly dependent set. That means this vector equation has trivial solution, that means all alpha is 0, then it is a linearly independent set, otherwise it is a linearly dependent set. Now here we will use the counter example for the statement 1 and statement 2. So first counter example, if we take S equal to 1 0 0 2 0 0 0 1 0, it is a subset of R3. Now consider the vector equation alpha on u1 plus alpha 2 u2 plus alpha 3 u3 equal to 0. Here u1, u2, u3 are the 1 0 0, 2 0 0 and 0 1 0. Now substitute that value. Then we have alpha 1 plus 2 alpha 2 equal to 0 and alpha 3 equal to 0. That means alpha 1 equal to minus 2 alpha 2 and alpha 3 equal to 0. Here alpha 3 equal to 0, but we have infinitely values of alpha 1 and alpha 2. Like if we take alpha 2 equal to 1, then alpha 1 equal to minus 2. If we take alpha 2 equal to 2, then alpha 1 equal to minus 4. So we are infinitely non-zero values. So this vector equation has non-trivial solution, hence S is linearly dependent set. But we can see u3 equal to 0 1 0 cannot be expressed as a linear combination of 1 0 0 2 0 0. Therefore the u3 cannot express a linear combination of u1 and u2. So first statement says that if S is linearly dependent set, then UK is a linear combination of u1, u2, UK minus 1. That is not the correct statement. So statement 1 is a false statement. Now counter example 2. If we take x equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. These are the standard basis for R3 and they are the linearly independent vector. So S is a linearly independent set in R3. S contain 3 vectors, so K equal to 3 and they are the elements of R3, so N equal to 3. Here K equal to N, K is not less than N. So statement 2 says that S is linearly independent, then K must be less than N. Here we have example where S is linearly independent but K equal to N. So statement 2 is also a false statement. Therefore, the option number 3, which says that both these statements are false, is the correct option. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon of Next Gen Maths.